and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am showing you three type of chutneys. They are my family recipes. I am very excited and happy to share with all of you, which I grew up eating. Their combination of vegetable, spices and aromatic herbs. They can be eaten with salads, with snacks, with chaat or naan and rice. So let's begin. First, I am making fresh coriander chutney. For fresh coriander chutney, we need obviously fresh coriander. So I washed and chopped it. Some green chilies, some fresh ginger, some powder coriander, some ajwain chrome seeds, some cumin seeds, and some lemon juice and salt to taste and some water. So, and we need a mixing jar, blender. So my coriander, chopped coriander is going in. Now it is followed by some green chilies and some lemon juice, some ginger, some salt, followed by cumin seeds and powder, cumin, coriander powder and ajwain chrome seeds, and we will add some water, but always make sure water don't put all together, just gradually as much as we need it. I am adding some little bit more water. It is done as we want. Let's see, it is looking beautiful. Look at this beautiful color ground. So I'm using a jar to keep in my fridge. We can keep it in fridge about a week. So our chutney is ready. I'm going to show you how to make red pepper chutney. So for it we need one red pepper chopped and one tomato chopped, some garlic chopped, or you can put whole clove as well of garlic, ginger and green chilies, some chrome seeds. They are very good for digestion and immune system. They are all natural product and plant based. Some cumin seed gone, followed by lemon juice and salt to taste. That's it. We need some water, or always use little water at a time to see how it goes. If you need more, just add more. Let's see. Yes, it is all done. We can see it will go in our pan, because this chutney, if we cook, then tastes better. So now it is going to cook for couple of minutes until it gets thickened. Done. So now I am adding some sugar, brown sugar. If you want, you can use any gur, white sugar, or your choice. Absolutely your choice. Done. So it cooked. It looking so nice, beautiful red color, and it is smooth. So it is when it is cooled down, I will store in my glass container. Now I am making tamarind chutney. So for tamarind chutney, It is going to be boiled on medium flame. So first I use some water, some sugar brown. You can use white sugar or as well, some gur and tamarind, of course, some red chilies, and cumin powder is roasted, and some garam masala, and some dry ginger powder, and black salt. If you don't have black salt, you can use normal salt as well. We will cover it and cook. Now let's see what is happening. Look at this, it is cooked very well. I cooked it about 20 minutes and I'm happy with this consistency what I wanted. And on this point you can adjust sugar, salt and other spices to your taste. So I will sieve it. Now it is all sieved. So I am going to store in my glass jar. You can keep in your fridge about 2 weeks in airtight container, and you can use whenever you want. So here we go. It is our beautiful tamarind chutney, tangy, sweet, savory is ready. I hope you like my recipes and enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed showing you how to cook those wonderful and beautiful and delicious chutneys. So guys, please share these recipes and tag your friends and family, and please remember to subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you and see you next video.